Hello friends, welcome back. This is your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and you are with Flavors and Knowledge. The title of this episode is 5 Common Kitchen Mistakes. Let's start with number 1, not preheating the oven. Well, preheating the oven is an essential step in many baking and roasting recipes. If you skip the step, your food may not cook evenly, or it may take longer to cook, resulting in overcooked or undercooked dishes. Number 2, not using a sharp knife. And I think this is a mistake that many of us make. We spend an endless amount of money on all types of gadgets, but very often a good knife is missing in most kitchens. A dull knife can be dangerous and make it more difficult to cut through ingredients. Using a sharp knife not only makes your prep work faster and more efficient, but it also makes much safer. Number 3 on the list, overcrowding the pan. Yes, overcrowding the pan when cooking can prevent food from cooking evenly and result in a soggy mess. It's important to give your ingredients enough space to cook so that it can be browned properly. Number 4, not seasoning properly. Proper seasoning can make all the difference in the flavor of your dishes. Make sure to taste your food as you go and adjust the seasoning as needed. Do not overdo it. Always remember, cook balanced. Number 5, and the last one, ignoring food safety guidelines. It's important to follow food safety guidelines to prevent foodborne illness. This includes properly storing and handling the food, cooking to the appropriate temperatures, and washing your hands and surfaces very often to prevent cross-contamination. Well, I hope this particular episode was interesting to you. We reconnect on the next round with another episode of Flavors and Knowledge, the Food Learning Podcast. Ciao, ciao.